Hey guys, here's a real quick drill you guys can do to work on your sidekick. All you need is a chair, a counter, something you guys can hold on to. So Mr. Slim's gonna hold on to this chair. Now what this does for you is it takes balance out of the equation. So you don't have to worry about falling over or tipping over or even stumbling or losing your balance. This way you can focus less on balance and more on the actual basic techniques of the sidekick. So as he holds onto the chair, he can chamber up for his sidekick, right? Completely sideways. He can kick out, hold that leg out there for 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 seconds, however long. That's just going to help him build up his condition his muscles, rechamber, and then set his foot back down on the ground. And again, not having to worry about balance. So again, he grabs the chair, chamber for sidekick, kick, hold it out there, and you can choose how long you want to hold it out there for. If you want to challenge yourself, 2 seconds this time, 10 seconds next time, whatever you want to do, rechamber, and then set it down. Good. Another drill for the sidekick, very easy one. You guys go ahead and practice.